Come back, man. You don't need a jacket. We're indoors. You don't need to look cool.
What is different?
Hey, go on, butt jacket.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm recording.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, side.
Hello. Hi. Okay, shut up.
You know,
Shut the fuck up, you. Die.
Tony. Alright, serious, yeah?
Hi.
I
know, start again.
Oh, fuck you. You bring that speed all over the screen. You got it, yeah? Stop laughing. Oh, you fuck. Leg's gone. And we haven't even started. You're fucked. Alright. Serious thing, yeah? Someone come to the side.
Hi.
Uh-oh. Okay, fuck the serious face. Hey, you got a cup. I'm gonna use this cup.
Yeah, you
Okay, introduce. No, fuck it. This is the introduction.
I'll start it. Don't watch me. Alright, okay.
Hi.
You're gonna use this cup.
I will be doing this crazy shit all for your
Yes, well, I'm only taking one sip because I'm gonna make me.
We have Putki!
Are you going to put that in?
I don't know.
We have
Why does your mom have Putki in the fridge?
listen, we have favorite marinade. That was the sauce.
Are you just gonna drink this shit?
Yes, I am.
Put it over there, where you can see it. We'll show them later. Nah, fuck the sausages.
I'll take this time.
We need some whipped cream.
Mint sauce,
Cream.
ketchup.
Yeah, well.
Why am I doing this? I'm gonna die. Some next sauce is pepper sauce and what is that? Sheriff.
Huh?
Boom. Butter. Anyway, I want to
Hey, seriously, you're going to butter. What else?
What is it?
Like golden what?
Jam. I want strawberry jam.
Strawberry, I don't think it's gonna taste nice.
Okay, fix that up. That's what it is. Looks like cake. What?
I don't know what the fuck that is.
No, it's like this.
Hey, Bulloy! Look, Bulloy! Alright. Okay, that's not going in. Monday.
No, it's like this.
You guys didn't even help me.
Come down.
Hi.
Put the knife back, man. What the fuck? Are you done?
No.
You want some coke in there?
We'll fill it afterwards, isn't it? Yeah.
We'll start.
Hold this. Put some coke in there. Where's the Dr.
Okay, you guys you doing it?
Where's the Dr. Pepper that was there? There's one in the fridge, man. It's the one that was half thingy.
No. That one looks like thingy, no fizziness.
Doesn't matter.
Well, which was that one?
Put any drink in there first.
That is fizzy.
That's open.
That's fizzy.
What can I do?
Calm down.
Milk.
Now fuck the milk.
You want some milk?
No, milk. I don't want to listen.
Are you sure you want milk? That's gonna make it even more fucked.
I know, but yeah.
Wait. Let's move this.
Okay, you put raw egg.
Here.
You guys didn't hear, did you?
Huh? Raw egg. Fuck yourself.
Okay.
I don't want salmonella.
Oh yeah, I think that's milk. Why are you complaining? I'm finishing the whole thing.
Alright, who's gonna make it? Hey! Big cook, little cook! Yeah, everyone!
And me.
You suck my dick. Okay. Alright, where's the coke? Oh, you want more milk? Okay, just a bit of milk, yeah?
Alright, yeah, look at this there.
Wait.
There you go.
That's too much milk, man.
Is that legit? Alright, stop with the animal. I get a spoon, someone get a spoon. Get a spoon.
Okay, that spoon doesn't secure.
Let's put some woodkey. Okay, you know what? Let me just put the rod.
No!
Oh, that thing!
Hold up.
Oh! No more. I'm not gonna have this if you make it too disgusting.
This will also be disgusting.
It's so fucked already. What is that? I haven't heard of that in my life. Okay, Rookie Rush, yeah?
No, you're not putting it.
Yeah.
No.
No, look, let's just rush. Just rush.
We're going to put the rush and not this.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like shit.
You put it so bad.
You guys are fucked.
Oh my god.
I'm doing it.
You're doing that though. What's that? I don't know. But you're doing that though. I don't give a fuck.
And I'm half in.
That looks fucked already. What is that?
That's
mint sauce.
Look how disgusting that looks. What's that noise?
That's the fridge, man.
Fridge! Fire!
Look, yeah.
Let's put burgers.
Oh, fuck.
It's not ice cube.
Oh, this milk is making me vomit.
Listen.
Oh, what the fuck?
No, it smells like,
The gas is on. I can. Oh, shit! Should I put my light on?
No, we're gonna die.
Yeah,
Why is the gas on for?
I don't know. I think something.
I smell it now.
Burn it.
Alright, tomato sauce. That makes really everything more spicier.
It's not that bad, you know.
Have you tried already? What do you need to milk for, man? At least make it. I'll get some sugar at least, man. Man needs some sugar.
No, get salt.
No, sugar.
No,
Man's on the
You
sugar
want
thing.
to
Man.
test it? Yeah, I got it. You put it.
No, that's so fun. That's not even edible. That's not even edible. I can't. Yeah, but you put this.
That's the mystery.
I'm gonna get diabetic.
You already are. My dad is. I died.
That's gonna smell.
Diabetes.
I got it. You got this.
Oh, did you put this on?
Yeah. That smells so
Yeah,
bad.
did you put jam?
You put mayonnaise.
No, no, put
And you
mayonnaise
put the
on.
whipped cream on at the
You put
end.
butter. Okay, we need to say, yeah, what we have put it on this side.
Okay, you put this in.
Okay, cool. Got your mayonnaise.
Put this in.
Put that small one.
Why? You're just fucking it up because you want to. You shouldn't put the mayonnaise in. I got goosebumps.
It makes it more thick, man.
That's not good.
It looks like some hot chocolate gone wrong.
Looks like
Are
Musta's
you-
face in the
are you
morning.
good?
This is the key to the food. I think you give to us and I'm thirsty. Look, it looks like
Oh, just put some hot chocolate
inside. Huh? Put some hot chocolate inside.
Hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Alright, go on.
You're trying to get more flavor.
More flavor.
You know it's gonna be chili and sweet.
It's Galaxy, by the way.
Okay, mine.
I
love it.
I'm black like Galaxy. I have to mix it. It's not gonna work.
Oh yeah.
Ah, you retard. This is the cinnamon challenge now. Let me see. Let's show these guys. Look at that.
There's some chocolate inside it.
Yeah.
Is that Nutella?
Yeah.
That's Cadbury.
Wait, chocolate doesn't dissolve, you idiot.
Mine now, we lick it.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, it does.
Idiot, you're fucked.
Let's like. What's it do?
we can stir twice as fast.
We want to make it nicer, man.
Did you put butter?
Yeah.
Butter. Put it
Yeah,
on.
we did put butter in.
Last one, whipped cream.
Whipped cream. I'll do that.
Fuck my life.
Ready?
Nom. My life. Okay, stop!
That looks so nice.
Sure it
Take the
does.
spoon out.
Like yours.
Hold the spoon.
Yours
Put the
first.
spoon in there.
You're not gonna drink it like that.
Yeah, we are. Alright. Serious, yeah? Facial expression. Serious thing.
Man's really scared.
Man's really scared, blood.
I got
Really
balls
scared.
of steel. I'm joking.
I've got balls of hair and. Oh, that's too much information already. I did some fucked up shit, wait.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Fuck this. Alright, ready? Oh, look at it! Come on, look at it!
Ah, just drink now.
Drink it,
Alright. Don't laugh!
Okay, you know what?
Alright, let's stop the video and then think about it first.
No.
Yes, let's stop the video.
No.
Go on,
I just do it.
man.
There's a monkey!
You're not gonna do it, are you?
I am gonna do it.
Okay.
Someone put some chocolate into my mouth and then I quickly have it.
No.
That's me, come on.
Go on, do it there.
No.
Yeah, man.
Okay, happy. I don't give a shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, I can taste it already!
Oh my god.
Just say it.
Oh my days.
I'll buy someone else do it first. You just smell it. Smell it.
It feels like
I feel like the taste of
Get some water ready. Get some water ready. Yeah, that's fair. I need to get some water ready. How come I'm going first?
Because you get me today. And I greet him. You haven't even drank.
I'll tell you.
I just feel so bad.
I do it. Yeah, man's gonna do it.
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it.
Down you go.
Oh fuck, that tastes raw. And that's right, dog.
Machitake, are you gonna do it or not?
But actually for me.
Are you gonna do it?
You know what, yeah?
I'll finish it. I'll finish it. Are you gonna do it? Yes or no?
I ain't gonna lie.
No intention.
Are you
gonna do it?
Do it.
I'm not gonna do it. I said, come here. I'll do it.
Wait, I'm gonna vomit. I'm serious. I'm gonna vomit.
Go on, Munro.
You do it.
Oh, you got it!
Oh, man, give me some. Give me some. Give me some.
Yeah.
My days, man.
It's gone. Look how much I had.
Yeah.
Give me some water.
I don't finish it. A tiny bit left. He wants some. Here. Oh, here you go.
You guys are fucked.
Oh, you
That's
call
mine.
him pussy,
That's
man.
good.
Pussy, oh.
I'm not a pussy, yo. I'll fuck you, man, up, lad.
Okay, I think time to end the video.
Man, don't need to
I
show
know.
my.
Let's
Show
do
Hey,
it.
I'm not finished my speech.
Alright.
Alright, basically, yeah, I'm a G. I'm a G. I can see you, blood. Don't even try it.
Let's talk again, so. What's next one again?
Is he calling?
Yeah. Okay, finish the video.
Okay, let's finish the video. Alright, bless, yeah? Safe G.
I love you.
Alright, I'll have some ketchup.
You know what? That's what it tastes like. This is ketchup. Yeah, I said that. It tastes like, look, it's a bit less. You might as well.
I'm not finishing that shit for fuck, man. You guys did your videos, bruv. I'm done. Safe.
Bye.
Look at this little puta. Oh shit! Oh my god! You can't see it!
Oh my face, man.
I get a joke.
Yalla.
Oh my god, you're gonna fuck up my laptop.
It looks like someone died here. The video.
Oh, that's inside, man.
Okay, no.
Clean that up.
So push it in. Thing.
It's upside down.
I don't mind. Hey, look, it's upside down. You don't receive that, man. Do you think it'll come out upside down? Oh, your video smells of vodka. I fixed it. Oh! You're getting high off this when you couldn't even drink it. Yeah, you know.
Oh fuck, I dropped that shit on you.
King one, man.
King one. Actually, let me smell it now.
Yeah, laptop.
Fire up. Fuck.